Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change date and time if grayed out on iPhone. And here's how it is done. Number 1. Turn off screen time restrictions. Go to Settings, Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Location Services. Set System Services. Setting Time Zone to allow. 2. Disable screen time completely if needed. Settings, Screen Time. Turn off screen time. 3. Turn off automatic time settings. Settings, General, Date and Time. Toggle set automatically off. 4. Check for device management or MDM profiles. Settings, General, VPN and device management. If a profile is installed, it may restrict time changes, common in work or school devices. 5. Restart your iPhone. Power off and turn it back on to apply changes. 6. Reset all settings, last resort. Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. And that is everything you need to know about how to change date and time if grayed out on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.